Number 5.
Are you still shooting unsteady videos with your phone? Capture smooth and steady cinematic videos at a breeze with Rigiet. Simply slide in your phone or GoPro and turn it on, and all the creation is at your fingertips. For many stabilizers, it is impossible to record videos using the underslung position without rotating to portrait mode. Rigiet is the only stabilizer that can continue to record the video in this position. With its easy-to-use control panel, you can easily switch between photos and video mode, front and rear camera, and zoom in and out. Rigiet can also charge your phone, or even better, plug a power bank so you can charge Rigiet and your phone simultaneously, so that you can use our app to live stream all day. Within the Rigiet app, we've built an auto track function. Simply drag any object on the screen and Rigiet will take over. Create amazing slow motion and time-lapse videos. Shoot amazing panorama photos with Rigiet. With a total of 3 different panorama modes, you can even shoot better photos than any other stabilizer you had. Rigiet is the most advanced stabilizer to capture your life.
Number 4.
This is ThinCharge, the world's thinnest battery charging case. So thin, you won't even know it's there. Double your battery life at the push of a button. Beautifully designed, ultra slim and lightweight. The case is easy to install. Simply slide it on for protection and power. It's the same size as your normal case, and half the size of your typical battery case. Just look at the difference. Precision cutouts for your headphones, microphone, and speaker. It's the only battery case that lets you use an Apple Lightning cable. The case blends in with the sleek lines of your phone. Just push the button and double your battery life. Soft touch satin finish and raised edges to protect your phone. You've always had a choice between a slim phone or a big battery. Now, you never have to make that choice again. ThinCharge, the world's thinnest battery charging case.
Number 3.
We're all used to dragging our suitcase around when we're traveling, but what if it just followed us by itself? Well, TravelMate Robotics have developed a robot suitcase that does exactly that. Once paired to your phone, wherever you go, the suitcase follows. Its built-in detection system means it can navigate through crowded airports and avoid any obstacles. It can only be opened with the owner's fingerprint. It has a USB port for charging your phone and a built-in scale for weighing the suitcase's contents, meaning you'll never get landed with an unexpected excess baggage charge. And if you really feel like taking it easy, you can let your TravelMate carry the rest of your luggage. Who knows? Perhaps in the future, pulling your own bag will feel as old-fashioned as a suitcase without wheels.
Number 2.
This is AirBar. AirBar brings touch to your new or existing PC by projecting an invisible light field over the screen. And what's good about light is that it responds to pretty much anything. So you can swipe with your gloves or long fingernails, pinch with your chopsticks, scroll while you're cooking, or why not use a paintbrush? You get the idea. With AirBar, you get touch gestures when you need them. It's easy to attach, it's sleek, it won't drain your battery, and you can unplug it when you want to. Best of all, there's no manual, no installation. It's plug and touch. It just works. AirBar, plug and touch when you need it.
Number 1.
Smart glasses. You can spot them a mile away. They look geeky, uncomfortable, and distracting. And having a camera stuck to your face? It's kinda creepy. Introducing View, the world's first pair of smart glasses that match your lifestyle and your look. Regular earphones transmit sound through the air, but View's bone conduction speakers transmit it through vibrations. Sent directly to your inner ear, only you can hear it.
Hi, Judy. Let's get today started.
Bone conduction lets you stay aware of your surroundings, even as you enjoy your music. View is built for people who use prescription glasses, sunglasses, and even style frames. At an ultra-light 28 grams, it won't weigh you down. View talks to your phone via Bluetooth. With the app, you can perform a range of different tasks without checking your phone. Like take a call, hands-free.
You have a call from Leslie.
Hey Leslie, what's going on?
Get directions,
In 200 feet, turn left on 10th Street.
or control your music. View is designed for work and play. It has a water-resistant housing and built-in activity tracking.
You ran 6,000 steps today and burned 350 calories. Nice job.
You can set friendly reminders,
Hey Dylan, you've been sitting for a while. Let's take a break.
and it's simple to customize the long press and the double tap.
The time is 3:35 p.m.
Always losing your specs? With Find My Glasses, you can easily locate them anywhere. View has two designs, classic and trendy. With its easy-to-use charging case, View's batteries last up to 1 week. Smart glasses that fit your lifestyle and your look. Say hello to View.